Okay, Liz, this is showing you what I have. I've opened up the particular VoiceThread I want to use. I'm going down here to publishing options. I have allow anyone to view, allow anyone to comment. I've saved that. I'm set there. Now I'm going to go to the embed. I see my embed code here. There's also another way to get at the very end of your VoiceThread. Let me show you that way as well. So if you were going through it and you got to the very last slide in your presentation, okay, I'm not even sure if I need to do that for you, but let's say, let me just open it up and go to the very end because you can find the embed code two ways. Okay, so I'm going to the very end here, and I'm on that screen as well, and I get the embed code here. So I could get it either down here, as you could see, or down here. I get my embed code. I've copied it. Okay, copy this. It shows me it's been copied to my clipboard. I already have the Blogger window opened. I'm going back into my Blogger. I've started a post just to kind of demo to you. Let me go back here because I'm going to hit the return key a few times. So when I go to the HTML, let me also show you in VoiceThread. You did see that I got that code. Okay, so I'm back in here. I go to HTML, and I'm putting my cursor right there after, as you could see, that Pacific mark, and now I'm pasting in the code showing me width 480, height 360. I'm going back to compose. I will see that there's a marker there right now. I'm going save, and although I'm going to publish this in a minute just to show you, I'll probably delete it, but let me just show you in preview if the VoiceThread came through. And it might take a minute for it to load. Hopefully it did. And you could see that, yes, indeed, it's there. So I'm not going to publish that specific post. There's a few things I could think of that might be going wrong. Maybe your settings in your VoiceThread itself. You might have to go back to some of your other options for publishing that could be causing the problem. On your embed code down here, I'm assuming you've copied that correctly. Worst case scenario, if you're really having trouble getting it to embed, what I would suggest you could do is go back to your VoiceThread. Okay, let me just close that all out. Okay, Books We Love. I don't really want to edit it anymore, but sorry about this. I'm just trying to do a demo here for you. Playback option, okay. Oh, you might want to look at this screen and see if everything's okay. I think it is. So I think that part's okay. So let me go back to my VoiceThreads for a minute. I want to pop that one back up. And if you're really having trouble, what you can do okay, sorry about the delay here, is you could get the URL, copy, link, and share that way, okay? Then you could go to the first page of your actual VoiceThread, which in this case is mine right here, and make a screen capture of it. I'm on my Mac. I think you have a Mac, so I'm using the Command-Shift F4. I'm making a copy of it. And so when I go back to my Blogger account, what I also could do is paste in just the picture. You can then go back to Compose and go Insert Picture, find the picture where I saved it. Right now it's temporarily on my desktop somewhere. I could just pop the picture in. Okay, select it, size it if I wanted to once it's in the blog post, but I could simply go to see the VoiceThread, click on the image. Okay, and then what I would do is highlight my image. I need to get a little bit more than just the image. I need to get a little bit more of the side, otherwise it's going to think I'm trying to resize this image. And then go to the link button and then paste in the link for that particular one. And so somebody, I've just saved it, going into preview. It could take a minute here. I have a few different windows open, so bear with me. And my internet connection is not the best right now. But when I go into preview, you're going to see, okay, again, I don't know if you can see it spinning up here. It's taking a while. But you'll see the embedded one. You saw that before, but you've told somebody to click on the picture, and the picture has become a link. Okay, so right now in the preview mode, you can see if somebody were to click on this, again, I'm in preview, so it's not going to work as a hyperlink at the moment, but if I published it, it actually would. So that would be another option if you're having trouble embedding the VoiceThread. So I hope that works for you.